Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to change the battery in your Kia Sedona key fob. First, locate the small release button on the side of your key fob. Press this button and slide out the emergency key. Next, find the small slot where the emergency key was removed. Carefully insert a small flathead screwdriver into this slot and gently twist it to pry open the two halves of the key fob casing. Be gentle to avoid damaging the plastic. With the key fob open, you will see the small, circular battery nestled inside. Take a moment to observe its orientation. Typically, the positive side, marked with a plus sign, faces upwards. Using a small, non-metallic tool or the tip of your screwdriver, carefully pry the old battery out of its compartment. Avoid using excessive force to prevent damaging the battery contacts within the fob. Now it's time to insert the new battery. The correct replacement for most Kia key fobs is a CR 2032 3-volt coin cell battery. Make sure you have the correct type on hand. Carefully place the new CR 2032 battery into the compartment, ensuring that the positive side, again, faces upwards, just like the old one. Press down gently to ensure it is securely seated and makes good contact. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing and gently press them together until you hear them snap securely shut. Once the fob is closed, slide the emergency key back into its designated slot until it clicks into place. Now, test your key fob's functions, such as locking and unlocking your vehicle, to confirm the new battery is working correctly. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.